Mixing station, understanding the phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, mixing station. This phrase is often used in various contexts, and understanding it can really enhance your English skills. Let's dive in. Mixing station generally refers to a place or setup where different materials or substances are combined or mixed together. It's a versatile term and can be used in many different fields, such as construction, cooking, or even music production. The key aspect here is the act of mixing various elements to create something new. 1. Construction. In construction, a mixing station is where materials like cement, sand, and water are mixed to create concrete. 2. Cooking. In a kitchen, a mixing station might be where ingredients are blended together to make dishes. 3. Music production. In the context of music, a mixing station refers to the equipment and space where audio tracks are mixed to produce a final soundtrack. Let's see how to use mixing station in sentences. The workers prepared the concrete at the mixing station. She added spices to the dish at the kitchen's mixing station. The DJ adjusted the levels at his mixing station during the concert. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of mixing station in English. Remember, it's all about combining elements to create something new. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.